Hello, my name is Tyra McRae, and this is my presentation. FedEx has a long history of innovation and incorporating sustainability efforts throughout its global network. Our investment in these trucks is part of our commitment to improving road safety while also reducing our environmental impact. Tesla's new Big Rig will deliver a far better experience for truck drivers, while increasing safety and significantly reducing the cost of cargo transport. Its advanced technologies such as surrounding cameras and onboard sensors help to aid object detection, while also enabling enhanced autopilot for automatic emergency braking, automatic lane keeping, and lane departure warning. The company also touts electric energy cost savings that are half that of diesel. Since 2008, FedEx has saved more than 158 million gallons of vehicle fuel by replacing vehicles with more efficient models and making greater use of electric vehicles, fuel cells, natural gas, hybrids, and clean truck technologies. Reduce or eliminate impacts from activities or operations. Some examples include the following. For vehicles, all of our operating companies work hard to optimize their vehicle routing with a focus on efficiency and customer service. This allows FedEx to reduce overall mileage and fuel use, thereby reducing vehicle emissions. In aviation, the FedEx Fuel Sense program, which identifies operational efficiencies across our aviation operations in FedEx Express, saved 81 million gallons of fuel in fiscal year 16, avoiding 1.7 billion pounds of CO2 emissions. Use the right solutions in the right applications. Examples include, for vehicles, upgrading vehicles to more efficient ones wherever possible, rather than using the same type of vehicle for differing applications, contributes to sustainability. In addition, FedEx has been advocating to bring new efficiencies to less than truckload freight carriers with 33-foot twin trailers. Annually, this would reduce congestion by 6.6 million truck trips, truck traffic by 1.3 billion miles, and carbon emissions by 4.4 billion pounds. In aviation, the FedEx Aircraft Fleet Modernization Program saved almost 72 million gallons of fuel in fiscal 16 alone, avoiding another 1.5 billion pounds of CO2 emissions. It's worth noting that these reduce and replace aviation strategies together saved 153 million gallons of fuel and avoided 3.2 billion pounds of carbon emissions in 1 year. Discover and utilize the technologies and solutions of tomorrow, today. For example, in vehicles, for years FedEx has worked on technologies and solutions like alternative fuels, hybrid electric, plug-in hybrid electric, fuel cell, and all-electric vehicles, and will continue to explore new possibilities. Also, FedEx was the first transportation logistics company to push for commercial vehicle fuel economy and greenhouse gas legislation and regulation. In aviation, in addition to technological innovations in the aircrafts themselves, solutions with regard to the energy sources used in aviation are also important. That is why FedEx Express has a goal to obtain 30% of its jet fuel from alternative fuels by 2030, an ambitious and very challenging issue in the current conditions, but it is one that can contribute to and help revolutionize the primary energy source used for commercial aviation today. There are three forces mentioned in the inevitable that applies to shaping our future. The first is becoming. This is only the beginning of how innovative FedEx can be. As technologies continue to enhance how we use or provide services, things are only going to get more creative. 2. Flowing. As the opportunities and customers' demand arise, FedEx is determined to continue to provide non-stop creativity to meet and exceed customer demands. And 3. Track. As these inventions are released either on the road or in the air, the ability to track, monitor, watch, and record have given FedEx a path to continue to improve. This has been my video on FedEx and aviation. Thank you very much.